Sitting in the house getting rich. I miss going outside and shit. I like how he rap, I'ma sign a nigga. She can rap, I'ma sign a bitch. My bitch like a biker, she ride the dick. Let her go for a ride.
YouTube, what up, Z family? It's your boy SRT Hunter, and I'm back again with another banger, man. And today, bro, I told y'all we're going to Daytona. We're going to shut down the city. Polk Mafia's finna turn up the city, man. I got my guys with me. I got the family with me, man. We finna turn up, boy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna keep the intro short and sweet because I know y'all, a lot of y'all be saying I talk too much. So we gonna keep this short and sweet, man. We got Josh coming. Bro. Everybody said they was going, and last minute nobody want to go. So I guess you know how me and the Gator thing, we always end up being together. Me and the Gator thing always end up meeting up, bro. So you know, y'all know how we get. Every time me and this thing, man, meet up, we burn brakes. Hey, John, we burn brakes every time we meet up. I gotta cut the video on that one. Hold on. Anyway, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We gonna have to catch time there, cause you know how they get.
They on the highway already?
I don't even know, bro.
They on the highway already.
We might be grits. Yeah, we might just ride like how we used to get down. No cap.
What cars in them?
They said they were coming, bro. Bro, they what?
Everybody kept turning off.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm finna leave them, bro. Not the K5. K5 finna hit the Hemi. I think Marvin here. Let me see. Yeah, man. Yeah, see, we got the Daytona thing looking good, bro. Oh, look at this, bro. I got some little burners on this, y'all. I know y'all finna get at me in the comment section. Y'all know we don't ride like that. We get 315, man, but today, bro, we got these little old tires on here, bro. I got them because, you know, we finna cut up, so. But, yeah, bro, we got the Daytona thing looking so good. Woo, I don't even know what to say how good this thing look, bro. Let me show y'all. I got the GoPro today. So y'all gonna see two different type of video type, but I got the GoPro today, so you know how that get down. So y'all just stay tuned for the lit vlogs, bro, cause I got the GoPro share. Y'all finna see how me and Josh get down and through there. Y'all just stay tuned, bro. Y'all stay tuned for sure, cause we going up all day. Going up all day, bro. All day. If y'all don't know, like, comment, subscribe if you're new, bro. And let's turn up, bro. We got E in the building, man. He got the Catless R2. Oh my God. We don't know who that is.
That's Granddaddy.
But we got Big Mark, chill. Bro, I ain't know this nigga put a scat pad on that shit, y'all.
Yeah, bro, that's how I know it's them every time in Cyber Gardens.
This is my twin right here, y'all, if y'all ain't know, but yeah, man, we finna go ahead and head out. Let's go. You done? You ready? Vlog on vlog? Look at that. Woo! Yeah, man, we ain't got the little hooves on today, bro. But we definitely finna have fun with you guys, boy. Woo! I know you see him. But yeah, man, it look a little bit. We finna lower it, though. We lowering it soon. I'm about to spring soon. Hear me, Josh? I'ma lower it soon. We finna get the springs done soon. So let's do it. You ready? Hey, y'all ready? All right, let's do it. Carl, you ready? Let's do it. We finna go ahead and hit the road, man. You too, bro. This man Josh be killing me, bro. We always stopping for this man. God damn. Man.
Hey, bro, what you doing, bro? I had to put the...
Bro, you supposed to do that when your car is low in gas, Jack.
I filled it up. It said fill it up. Make sure you fill it up.
Oh my.
You got E85?
No, man. Come on,
You got a
bro.
gas?
Let's go, bro. Shit. Damn, man. Niggas always pulling over. Sorry, man. YouTube, man. This man just got some extra stuff going on. Let me take these off. Damn. But yeah, man, this man always got some weird going on, man. We always stop. I done told him, man, we about Davenport and shit. Damn, we gotta get on our high horse, cause Ty gonna be hitting this when he get on that bitch. Yeah, man, I'm gonna put on the GoPro when we hit Alpha, and y'all gonna catch some craziness going on, bro. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned for sure, cause woo, we got a long day to go, bro. Long day. I'm gonna put the windows up, cause we gonna need it. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for sure, man, cause it's only gonna get lit from here, bro. I got my boy Brian with me, so if you stay tuned, it's gonna be some GoPro footage now. So if it looks different, y'all know why. It's a GoPro footage. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna have the music on for a little bit, and then I'm gonna have y'all listen to it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna put the GoPro when we catch time. I feel like that'd be a little better, cause there's gonna be way more of us. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, bro. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm telling you, boy, we got these things out, boy. Now I'm slow to shit, man. Hey, pretty boy status, man. What's up, gang? Got them things out, man. Hey, talking about. How you doing? My bad. Anybody? Okay, nobody back there. Nah, he got that little TX thing. What's up, my guy? Chillin'? What bird that? You still vlogging?
Hey, you already know.
What's up?
You ain't from Polk County, Bill.
Tight shit.
You're not cutting up. You're not from Polk County.
I'm telling you, man. Oh, God. Hey, Bert. Talk to me real quick. You too. I ain't gonna lie. Daytona is bad. My man Josh just got pulled over, bro. And they got cops on every entry, bro. This is, oh, man. This is bad.
Damn, I gotta call Josh. Don't call him yet.
I tried to call Marvin. He ain't even pick up.
He's drunk. Marvin drunk. You good, bro?
What?
Is that a white Audi was speeding?
Damn.
Good though? He ain't do nothing? They ain't try you? Ask him why they pulled him for. Why they pulled you?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, damn, bro. This is so bad, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's fun, but then it's not fun, cause shit, 12 is out.
12 everywhere. You good though, bro? What he doing? That bitch bad, bro. Alright. Try again. Damn. Try again.
Hi, Z family, but we got these toys out, man. We got a whole lot of it, man. You know the golden nugget out there, it's lit. Bro, they done gave my dog a ticket, man. Town, what a ticket at? Oh, this man got a tent ticket, yo. Damn. Yo, we is deep, gang. We so deep. There's so many people out here. We got 12 everywhere. I ain't gonna lie, I'm hungry as hell. Yeah, I'm hungry as hell. Damn.
Hey, Toy, man, what you talking about over here?
Hell yeah, what are you at?
Man, listen, we got to break off. Cause you see this big pack right here? Yeah, we can't get no hold like this. Break off, but I'm fishing right now. You see my pole? I just threw that motherfucker. Hey, this is my school.
No, not the charge port. Charge port be parked right here. Bro, I am so hungry, bro. Yeah,
We scared right now. Oh my God, all these slippers.
no. For real, I'm gonna put a phone on. I'm done.
So scared right now. Let me get a Red Bull. Hey, I better have one in the car.
Yo, look at all these cops, bro. They not playing no games. They rocky talking and everything. Bro, they got undercovers everywhere too. Alright, man. We got the toys out, man. We got the Durango RT, another wide body. What's up? What my guy told?
Tuesday, man, you know, when niggas, man, how we do this shit. Nothing major, same shit.
I'm telling
We
you.
really got a group, but it don't got no name. You know what I'm saying? That's how
No
we come.
name, no name. We just Polk County, bitch. You ready? You ready?
What the? That nigga came out of nowhere. Hey, what the fuck you came from?
YouTube. Woo. Jesus, I ain't gonna lie. I'm tired. We got the Daytona thing parked up at this B&B place you did. Got cameras everywhere. Y'all don't know about this Jack. This Jack doing it, boy.
Yeah, doing it, bro.
He still don't know. The Daytona thing was giving him hell, low key.
I ain't gonna lie, I'll bet on him. On for dead, I'll bet on him. I don't know about the road, but on for dead, I like him. That bitch rolling, bro. That bitch rolling, bro.
Oh, we ain't passed too many then.
You're gonna get caught by the police.
Bro, what we going to eat, Josh, bro? This ain't our scenery right here, you feel me?
Miss going outside and shit. I like how you rap, I'ma sign a nigga. She can rap, I'ma sign a bitch. My bitch like a biker, she ride the dick. Let her go for a ride. Tryna